Hello guys. Ayun. So we're back na natin in playing Final Fantasy 12 The Zodiac Age. So tutuloy natin yung gameplay. Nakadalawang hunt tayo last time with Rogue Tomato and yung Gigantic Wolf. Sorry, nakain ako. Yes, yung Higanting Wolf na muntik pa akong mamatay. So, oh my god. What? Eto. Do you want to load this save data? Yes. So itutuloy natin and ang main storyline ay I need to pay visit to Dalan of Lowtown. Wala natin konti. And that is what we're going to do. Although licenses, I have 8. Pwede man tayong magdagdag pa ng dalawa para dito or Mystic Armor 1. Yes, dalawa. Pumatay tayo ng dalawa para magkaroon tayo ng license point. Ay, di na matay. Wala talaga kwenta tong dagger na to. A potion. Perfect. Pakay ko. Ayan. Sinong balik natin? Dito. Oh my god, mali. Wala talaga akong sense of direction. Licenses. Ba excited na excited ako. Yes. Para makapag-upgrade tayo, mas magkaroon tayo ng gear. Which is Still from one fold. Hindi ito ginagamit. Still. Okay. Attack power 14. Okay. ko alam kung ilang gear na meron pa. So, Dalmasca Wester sand can be harsh, boy. Get a good sandstorm steered up. You can't hardly see your enemy in front of your face. What's worse, elementals favor the storm. You don't want to tangle with one of those. So be sure to mind the weather for heading out. Right. Ooh, what's in here? Aerodrome today. Sorry, but I asked. Okay. Save bullet. Nope. Yes. And that's it for today's episode. Medyo mas. Ito lang ayaw ko dito. Hindi ka pwede mag-save kahit kailan kung gusto. I guess nasanay ako sa Final Fantasy VII Remake. Lowtown. Okay. To Lowtown. Pabalik pala tayo doon. Galing na tayo doon. Hindi natin. Or hindi ko pala pinuntahan. Si Dala. Kupo. Bibilis ang takbo. To Lowtown. Wala pa. Dito tama. Lowtown. Yes. Dalan. Ito ba? See that house in the corner? Well, it's empty now. You see the man who'd been living there recently passed away. He had fled from Nabudis during the war. The poor dear. If I'm not mistaken, that sick laughing in the shop just across the way was his landlord. Private resident. The door is tight. Whatever. Ito, landlord niya. Demented. Purchase, yes. Oh, my apologies. My store has no wares fit for children. Whatever. Dala? Hello? Furious Bang. Fire Eye, Fee and Pa blast those Imperials heading up to the city. I was the right of any proper Dalmascan when slam gates shut in my face and Fano wala nakapakailan. Dalan? Wandering woman na tayong pakialam sa naliligaw na woman. Naliligaw din tayo. Dalan? Street of Provenance. Hindi pa tayo babati. May mapa pala eh. Nasaan tayo? Ayun. So, baba. Ano ba? Wala akong makita. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Baba. Patient boy. Ha? Mali. Okay. Nandun pala sa mapa. Yan.
If it isn't Von Ratsbane. Come for a tip on how to secure something bigger and in armor by the East Gate?
What? You already heard about that?
Wise I may not be, but well informed I am.
They'll get what's coming to them someday, believe me. But that's not why I'm here.
Do tell.
I want to know how to sneak into the palace. They've got to have some great stuff in there. Thought I'd partake.
Not one to mince words, are you, boy? The Empire protects all that's hers, and that means the palace and all the treasures inside.
That's why I'm gonna do it. To take back what's ours.
So, our champion of the sewers aspires to noble action. Admirable. Perhaps I can help you. Now that I think on it, there was a rumor. Yes, a secret passageway into the palace vaults, a door, and a magic stone that opens the way.
That's it. This is exactly why I came to talk to you first, Alan. So, where's this, magic stone?
Oh, I've had it for years, if I can remember where I've tucked it away.
I've heard... Sorry, tapos pala yung cutscenes. I've heard all I need. So this Crescent Stone, can I have it? Siyempre hindi. Hindi papagawa muna siya sa atin. Then I can find that secret passage into the palace, right? Not much of a listener, are you? The Crescent Stone has lost its magic. Without the power of a Sunstone, oh my god, it will be of little use. Right, so where can I get one of these sandstone? Let me guess, south? You seek Giza Plains. Speak with the nomads there. You will find your sandstone. Giza Plains. Sabi na, south. Leave by South Gate and continue south. Their village is not far. There are like to be beasts on the plains, so be careful, my boy. You don't have to worry about me. I'll be back before you know it. You may want to talk with a Mughal from the Cartographers Guild in the Southern Plaza before you leave for Giza. It can't hurt to have a map. Yeah. Alright. Mughal from the Cartographers Guild in the Southern Plaza. Southern Plaza, Cartographers, Mughal. Be careful. Akala ko nga may sasabihin pa. Let's see, Giza Plains hang right here and I'm practically at South Gate. This will be easy. Yes, actually nandun na tayo kanina. Kung meron lang akong gear, magpapalit ako ng weapon. Kaso wala. Pwede naman tayo mag-hunt. Ano, ba't hindi tayo mag-hunt? Baka merong hunt sa south. Since we're here already. Layo naman. Wala bang teleport? No, tama. Dito. Nope. Saan nga yun? Taas pa. Ano meron dito? Yugris Magic. Oh. Hold on. Bye. Puro naman white magic. Hindi ko to pwedeng makuha, no? Because I need license for white magic. Paano yung magiging Firaga? If you want to dabble in magic, you need to be wary of elementals. They won't normally bother you, but they're sensitive to magic. When When they sense the working of magics nearby, they react by attacking the caster with magic of their own. And they're frightfully powerful. As I understand it, walking around can restore spent magical energies. But I can't for the life of me understand why. Magic is a fickle mistress. So lakad-lakad lang. Para mag-recover ng MP. I'm studying magic so I can protect myself. If I must, it's not that I don't understand the new console, but we have a duty to keep our city safe. Meron, natutunan. Din eh. Baka merong hunt on the south. Saan niya? Where's the board? Textera. Flowering cactoid. Dantro. Easter Sand. Nakalabang ko to eh. Where a spiteful beast threatens the desert traveler. Now fixes its gaze upon our humble camp. We can ignore this threat no longer. Hunters to arms. The bill's petitioner can be found at the following location. You must speak with the petitioner to formalize the contract. Santo. My God, ha? Layo naman ang pinapunta ko sa... So, anong unahin natin? Yung hunt muna. The village in Giza. Hindi ko alam. World map. X. Status. Asan niya yung mga hunt? Clan fight. Hunts. Complete. Ba't ito hindi pa complete? Wait. Buti na lang nakita ko. Magre-report nga pala ako kay Gatsley. To claim my prize. Diba akala ko automatic. Asan siya? Ayan. You did it. You brought down Textera. Thank you. Thank you so much. You've saved me and my wife. This isn't much, but I want you to take it for helping us out. Oh, 500 gil. Head guard teleport stone. Well, it's time I headed back to my shop. Say, you should stop by sometimes. Maybe I'll have a little something for you. I'm afraid it won't be much, so don't go too far out of your way. But if you happen to be near the bazaar, say hello. Agreed? Okay. $500 so makakabili na ako ng bagong weapon. Pabalik dito sa walang kwentang weapon na. Tabi. Bili muna tayo ng weapon, guys. Weapon o armor? Siyempre weapon. Madalas naman akong manakbo. Buy. I have 812. So why not buy the best of the best, like a javelin? License need spear. Oh, hold on. Kung black mage ako, anong weapon ang... Does it matter? Licenses. Increases magic potency. Teka, nalilito ako. Who channels elemental forces into deadly magic. Grabe naman, remedies. Oh no. Gain MP after taking damage. Red spiral. Oh my god. Gauntlets. This is magic. So dagger lang talaga yung ano ko, weapon ko, gano'n. Steal from one foe. Makara. What's a Makara? Oh, staff. Jeez. Hindi pala ako makakabili. May makakabili pero hindi ko siya magagamit. Right? Oh. Whatever. So little gear. Yeah, I agree. You know, the loot coupon. That's worth plenty of gear. Nonsense. You're only making things harder for yourself, people. Why line your purse with loot when you could line it with gear instead? There's more to it than that. The more loot you sell, the more bizarre goods you're likely to come across. Ang dami naman sinabi. So since Black Mage tayo, Magic Resist. Mystic Armor. Magic Resist or Defense +1? Hold on. Meron tayo. Leather clothing, leather cup. Yun na. Wala pa tayo. Yep, so bibili natin ito. Yes. Bili na rin natin ito. Equip. Okay. Ano offhand? So, ibenta ang... Hold on. Magic Resist 4. Magic Resist 6. Headguard. Di ba na pwedeng so sa benta ko na set 50 lang yun. Tama kwenta. Head guard, pero meron na tayo nito. Huwag muna. Nadalawang isip ako. Ba't siya mahal? Parang nagbago sa itsura ko. Hindi talaga siya nakikita. Alright, we're a little bit tougher. So, nasa na tayo? Sa ating hunt. So, bill posted for the hunting of flowering cactoid, rank 1. The petitioner is Dantro at a camp in the Dalmasca Easter Sand. Okay. Easter Sand. Here we go. Tama, right? No, western pala to. Nawawala na naman ako ng source of direction. Ay, sense of direction. Diba, ang ganda ng costume. Tapos siya ganyan lang. Saan? Helpless merchant. There's a camp not far from here. You do well to stop by. Mag-ipon tayo ng life points. Antidote. ko to mawa one hit, right? Kolomo. Iwasan natin. Doon lang tayo sa one hit. Kagaya na ito. Oh my god. Anong nangyari kung ganito ko siya na steal? Yun. Oh my god. Takbo! May dinosaur! Bye. Tumigil. Sorry, na-mesmerize ako sa dinosaur. Saan ako papunta? Clan Climb Primer. Haba naman. Kakausapin. Dantro. Dalmasca. Easter Sand. So Bill posted for the hunting of a flowering cactus. The petitioner is Dantro at a camp in the Dalmasca. Ooh, nasa camp. Ako may camp doon. Kaso dadaan tayo sa Don't Tell Me yung nakakalabanin na. Kasi cancer yun ah. Sorry. Natakot sa dinosaur. Ayan, habang nakatalikod siya. Yee! Unlucky merchant. That's my chocobo just over there. Has a fondness for shiny things, buries everything it can get its beak on. The most recent victim, all the gil I made in Rabanastre. At least they've opened the road to the Nebra I've lost profit to make up. What else? Wise elder, energetic child, desert warfare. Huh? Mysterious glint. Oh! Really? Dahil doon sa ginawa ko. Dantre, a boy and his dog. I better get back to the village before they start worrying. As long as we stick together, we'll be okay. And don't worry about him. He won't bite or nothing. He's practically family. Is this a quest or something? Nasaan na? Don't tell me wala dito yung a firefly. Ang galing. Mga nakatagong gil. A camp. Di ba ito yung camp na yun? Mukhang dito na yun. Hindi ba kinalimutan yung mapa? No need na kalabanin. Actually, no need. Nag-ipon nga ako ng license point. Magic. Ito magtitipid ng magic. No, ha? License points. I have 10. Increase magic potency. Ito isusunod natin. 30. Hope stuff. Medyo mahirap maging black mage siya. Hindi ko in-expect. So ganito lang tayo. Kailangan kong laging ow. bakit ka bumabagal? And it's time to use a potion bago pa tayo mamatay. Ow! Ganun lang. Nag-level up daw tayo. But what does it mean? Tumaas yung max MP natin. Oh my god, wala na tayong MP. Oh, MBJ.
Yeah.
Ha? Saan na ba tayo pupunta? Meron ba dito? Dito ba yung camp? Gusto ko lang naman makita yung hunting. Parang layo-layo na natin. No, parang mali na tayo ng dinadaanan. Ganon gusto mo. Hindi agad siya namatay. Huh? Ano yung pagulong-gulong na yun? Ouch, ha? A dark moat. What is a dark moat? Medyo dumadami na yung cockatrice. A small feather. Oops. And oras na ulit para gumamit ng potion. Bago pa tayo mamatay. And continue. 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 Perfect. Potion.
Yeah.
Saan na to papunta? Naliligaw na ba ako? Ha? Giza Plains. This is where I'm supposed to be. Kupol. ganon? Atakin ko to. Ay, shit naman yan. Oh, 50 gil. We are now the kung saan tayo dapat. Pero hindi natin nahanap yung nag-close. Dalmas. Saan na naman ito papunta? Hold on. Check lang natin. Diba ang ganda? Hindi tayo makapag-save. Sige na, let's move forward to victory. Uy, 25 gig. Ouch. What is this dark crystal? Radiates a bright light. Anong gagawin ko? Layo naman. What the heck is that? OMG, it's a dinosaur. Huh? It's a dinosaur monstrosity. Sa'yo manahimik ka. Ayaw kitang kalaban kahit may points ka pa. OMG. Lampasan na lang natin. Okay. kausapin lang natin bago natin i-say. Nomad. I can see the dark crystal that they want. Oh, so it is a sunstone you seek. You've come to the right place. They can only be made here in Giza. They're quite valuable though, so we can't go handing them out to just anyone who happens to wander through our camp. You see, we make and sell sandstone to earn the money. We need to survive. Still, perhaps we can come to some arrangement. Would you hear my offer? Sure. The making of sandstone is a poor we give to the children of our camp. They roam the plains, traveling from dark crystal to dark crystal, drawing the light from the crystal into Shadestone. One of these children, Jin, has not yet oh my god, may aso. He left carrying our supplies of Shadestone. If you'll find Jin for me and tell him to come back to the camp, you may take one of the sandstone he's made in return. Ang lahing takbuhan nito.
Penelo? What are you doing here?
I could ask
What
you
are
the same.
you doing
The
here?
answer's pretty clear. No good.
What? I'm being good.
Is that right? So then you wouldn't mind if I, say, tagged along, would you?
Huh?
Oh, don't worry. Miguelo's busy with preparations for the fete up at the palace. Why, I'm free for the whole day.
I'm free for the whole day.
Well, let's get going.
Penelo joins. Sa wakas. Paharap nga natin siya sa dinosaur. Meron. Hydra. Libra. Kailan mo magkakaroon ng ibang spell? Okay. And save tayo. Yep. Okay, and that's it for today or for this video. So actually puro labanan lang tong video na to. Hindi masyado umusad yung story. Hindi ko rin nahanap yung sa hunt. Akala ko mahahanap ko siya. Hindi ko makita. Basta in a camp in Easter Sun. O, isa lang naman yung camp. Pero babalik din naman ako doon. So baka nagbago na. Baka nandun na si whatever it is. Anyway, gagawin natin yun lahat on our next video. But for today, ganito na lang. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.